Hello, my friends, and welcome to Nate's Art Lab collaboration for January and Art by Sparkle. That's me. So, we have a very special guest for this month. One of my dear friends and magnificent artist, Taslima from Taslima Maya Art. Everything she touches turns to gold as far as I'm concerned. And I am fortunate to have some of her art pieces. In fact, she did a piece a few months ago on a premiere, and she did a giveaway on what she had created. And I got it. Look how gorgeous this is. Everything about it is exquisite. The texture, the colors, and those of us that were in the chat, we gave suggestions to the colors to use. Anyway, she sent it to me, and I am just thrilled to pieces with it. It's actually going in my bedroom, in our bedroom, Tom's and mine, because we have mint green in there, and it looks beautiful. I already have it hung up, but I took it down to show you. So that is very exciting. And she's our special guest. So of course we had to do texture. The piece that I did, there was a little bit of texture, and then I didn't think there was enough. So I added some more with some things from the Dollar Tree, or $1.25, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, but I'm still indecisive. So it's viewer's choice as to whether you like it plain or you like the embellishments that I did on it. So I'm hoping that you will give me some comments while you're watching this, or if you're watching it later, comment please and let me know if you like the embellishments or you'd rather have it plain. Some of the embellishments before I did the final ones, they are raised a little bit, so it adds a little bit of texture, but I just didn't think it was probably enough. So anyway, let's get down to the canvas. Let's see what's happening. Oh, by the way, you know, we always search for music and what we're going to put with our videos. Well, I found some amazing music. It was actually on YouTube. I was searching for some copyright-free music, and this is called Magical Water Music, Old Norse Songs by Fantasy Lady Saranda. Sorry. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the music. I think it's absolutely perfect. I found where she's doing it in English instead of Norse, but regardless of the language, it is such beautiful music. So please enjoy, and I'll see you at the end.
Beneath the veil of snow so white, a world concealed from mortal sight. The frosted weaves a tale untold, a shimmering thread, both harsh and cold. Oh, 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 oh. Through frozen winds and silent trees, the winter's veil moves with the breeze. A hidden room of ice and shade, where ancient spirits softly fade. Oh, 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 is the veil your secrets bind, through endless time, through frost confined, frozen gleam, a realm of ice, a fleeting dream. The tundra speaks its voice a sigh, a song of stars that pierce the sky. Through shifting snows the echoes grow, a chorus fast, a silent show. Its touch so soft, its sharp as stone, a realm unknown yet not alone. The winter guards its sacred lore, a gate to worlds of ice and more. Your secrets find through endless time, through frost confined, a fragile mask, a frozen gleam, a realm of ice, a fleeting dream. And when the veil begins to break, the dawn reveals what frost will take. A fleeting glimpse, a crystal light, and fades again to endless night. So let the veil of winter fall, a curtain soft, it shrouds us all, a timeless dance, a frozen heart, the winter's veil, its chilling heart.
this in a
resin around it so I
silicone
can
mold.
use it as an appetizer tray. And I think that will look great. Thanks so much for joining us in this January collaboration with Nate's Art Lab. If you haven't checked it out, please do. We have so much fun in his art lab. Everybody is so supportive, and you will not be disappointed. So please check out the other people in the collaboration. I have the playlist in my description box, along with the colors and again, the music. So I appreciate all of you. I love you all, and Happy New Year. Remember, keep your sparkle on and give it to someone you love. Bye-bye.